Hello friends, here Dr. BC, and today in this video episode I am going to tell you the diagnosis or the test mode on Xiaomi Mi 5. This is my Xiaomi Mi 5. For our previous video on this one, please click on the link flashing on your screen. तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो एपिसोड में मैं आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूँ इसमें डायग्नोसिस मोड. नाउ टू सी द डायग्नोसिस मोड यू हैव टू गो to the about phone and you have to go down, and if you see here, if you tap this build number, if you tap this kernel version, so you can see that it is launched into a hardware test mode. So to get this mode you have to tap this kernel version, and after tapping 3 or 4 times you get this hardware test mode on this phone. Now in this test mode you can check or calibrate the speaker. You can see that the speaker is now working and it will give you some status. You can see that now you can see that get temperature succeeded और स्पीकर वेंडर AAC, और यहाँ पर आप इसके बाकी सारे डाटा दे सकते हो. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पर आप कैलिब्रेशन भी कर सकते हो. यू हैव टू टैप दिस कैलिब्रेट आइकन टू कैलिब्रेट, एंड इफ ऑल थिंग गेट पास यू हैव टू tap this pass, and that is your next test. And here you can see the serial number, IEMI 12 MED build number and so on so code, and here you can see the baseband, kernel, CPU and secure board, and tap pass. It will go to the second one, and you can see that SIM card 1 and 2 are ready and it is passed. Now you can see the vibration test. Now you can tap this to see the short vibration, and if you want to check the long vibration on this one, tap this long vibration. You can see that the phone is vibrating. Now I can say that it is passed. Now it goes to the main thing, and you can see that main microphone to the receiver feedback test. Hold the phone as you make a call, speak to the microphone, you should hear the voice from the receiver. So you have to put the phone on your ear and you have to talk it here like that, and you can hear the sound coming from the top speaker. So that will give you the idea whether the bottom speaker is working or not, or the receiver speaker is working or not. Now I say that it is passed. Simulation call test. Hold the phone as you make call and this will simulate a test call on this phone. Now I will say that it again passed. The front microphone, speak to the front microphone, you will hear the voice in the speaker. So that front microphone is good, pass. Top microphone, this one, you can see that it is working, pass. Now cover the proximity sensor. You can check the sensor by like that, and I think there is some problem in this proximity sensor. Due to that screen protector that I had installed on this phone, that's why I think this proximity sensor has some issues. Now I tap this fail. You can see that proximity sensor show failure. Now I will test the next one, that is the FCP sensor. Self test, it passed. Checkerboard test, it passed. So the FPC sensor, that is fingerprint sensor, is working, passed. Now it will ask for the buttons check. So you can check the button, tapping volume up, volume down. आई डोंट नो, अगर मैं इस पावर बटन को टैप करता हूँ तो ये स्क्रीन ऑफ हो जाती है. तो वो ये जो मीनू बटन है, आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट व्हाई इट इज़ नॉट टैपिंग दैट. नाउ आई से इट इज़ फेल. Now the notification LED, you can see the backlight minimum maximum, you can check it like that. Maximum battery light red, you can see a red light indicator here. Green, it is blinking green. Blue, now it is blue. Turn on the flash, the flash is working. Turn on the yellow flash, now the yellow flash is on. Now that is white, yellow. Okay, now it is working. Modify the flash. I can modify the intensity of flash by, yeah, you can see that I can change the intensity of flash by tapping this key. Now the button light off, button light on. So you can see that all is working. Now I will turn off the flash. Now it pass. that is our touch area. You can see that it is working perfectly. It is okay. Now I think that is fast. Display, that is okay, working fine. Back light sensor, that is the same proximity sensor will work as a light sensor. You can see that the lux is fall down. When you open that, the lux will go increases. Now I can say that it passed. Now it will test the headphone. I will say that the headphone is working perfectly. Headphone mic test, headphone detection test, Wi-Fi address test, Wi-Fi AP test, Bluetooth test, Bluetooth scan chat, charger connect or disconnect test, rear camera, front camera, accelerometer, magnetometer, gyro, GPS, and the battery indicator. You can see that all of these tests are included in this hardware test. So you can see that it is very good test to see the phone info on this device. You can also check the log file directly on this phone. You can also check the ADB log, enable AG lock switch, RIL switch, and so on this device directly. NFC test tools, you can see that here you can see the NFC test, and you can see and search the tags or NFC devices by tapping this icon. Now if you see, here is a Bluetooth test. You can test your Bluetooth by the number of tests that is inside this test menu. You can also test the Wi-Fi, modem, and the camera calibration tool. You can also calibrate the camera. Tap the calibration button below, enter the camera interface, press back to exit the camera interface. There will be a calibration pass level to indicate the optical image stabilization has been calibrated. Now you can see that the optical image stabilization. Now tap back and you can see that calibration pass. So you can see that how you can calibrate the optical image stabilization in this phone. So you can see that this tools has a number of tests. Now finally, if all tests that you want to check whether your phone is working perfectly or not, you can see all the tests in this menu, that is around 32 tests will pass. Now we can exit that. If you exit this, when you exit, all the related data, text data will be erased. Now I will tap OK. Now the thing is gone. Similarly, here is another menu. Now by tapping this internal memory 3 and 4 times, you can see a new testing windows is open, and in this testing window you can test the SIM card. You can see that the first SIM card is from Airtel, and here you can see the ping test and the signal and the location, neighboring, cell info, and the various data related to the network. And here you can see the setting. You can set the bands on this ID, and you can also turn on off the radio directly, turn on the SMS open, and so on by directly going to this menu. Similarly, the second, you can see that it is from BSNL, and the similar type of setting you can see here in the setting menu. And here you can see the battery info. You can see the current status of the battery, and if you go back and if you see the user static, you can see all of the statistical data that is used in this phone right now. And if you go in the final, that is Wi-Fi information, you can check the Wi-Fi API and also see sub setting here. And if you see the Wi-Fi configuration, you can see all the setting Wi-Fi configuration, that is ipconfig, the same command it is run, and you can see the related data here, that is Linux command. And here you can see the Wi-Fi status, refresh status, run the ping test. You can see that it passes. So you can see that there is a testing menu on this phone. Now finally I will show you the developer version on this phone. Developer version, you have to tap the MIUI version, that means that window. If you tap that, you have already in the developer mode. For developer mode, go to the additional setting, and on the below you can see the developer options. You can turn on off the developer option here. You can check the USB debugging on and off here directly, and also there is a lot of test on the below of this window. So you can see that there is some hidden test menu in this one, and that can be accessed by tapping the different things on this setting menu. So I can say that by the help of this video, you will know the different test menu on this Xiaomi Mi5. Now this completed this part of the video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video. If you dislike this video, give a thumbs down, and also tell me the reason why you are disliking this video so that we can improve our future upcoming videos. And also share this video with your friends so that they can also know the hidden feature on Xiaomi Mi5, and do subscribe to our channel. The subscription link is shown here on the screen, and for such type of technical videos, gadgets review or mobile phone reviews, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.